question 5, we got these trig graphs, 2 cos x and cos 3x. There's a couple of ways to approach these. If we think of our unit circle and our points on the unit circle, we'll find out what cos and sine are. Any point on the unit circle is cos theta sine theta, and the point 1 0 means that the cos of 0 is 1, sine of 0 is 0, and up to 90 degrees. Cos of 0 is the point 0 1. Cos of 90 is 0. Cos of 180, the point minus 1 0. Cos minus 1. Cos of 270, that's the point 0 minus 1. So the cos again, this one here is 0. So we fill these in just for cos x. We'll do a scale here, 1, 2, 3. So let's do cos x first. I know it's not in the question, but cos x starts at this 1 here. Starts at 1. And it gets back in 360 degrees. So the cos of 0 is equal to 1. Pi over 2 is 90. 180 over 2 is equal to 90. This is pi over 2. And up here, the cos of 90 is 0. Then we get to 180. We get to minus 1. 270. We get to 0 again. And 360, we get back up to 1. So this graph will come up and around, and we'll go down through 90 if I can get to it. Maybe start the curvy bit first, down, up, and back to the starting point. So this is cos x. So 2 cos x is just twice this, so we're going to get 2. We're still going to get 0. We're going to get minus 2. We're going to get 0. And we're going to get 2. Minus 1, minus 2. Minus 3. So we do the curvy bit first. Down, up, and back to the start. And just go backwards to this point. It's going to be easier to do it that way. So this is the graph of cos 2x. Sorry, 2 cos x. And then the graph of cos 3x, a little bit more work in this one. 2 pi over c will give us how long it takes to go from the start to the finish. And c in this case is 3. So 2 pi over 3 will be 1 full rotation, which is 120 degrees. And if we mark off here, the 90 divides in 3. The next 90 divides in 3. It will help us do this every 2. So this is going to be 30. I'll just do it in degrees. 60, 90. The 120 will be under this one. So if we do it in green, so cos 3x. And we think about 4 points to get a full rotation. It's going to start at 0. We imagine the cos of 30. Well, the cos of 330s would be the cos of 90. So 0. Then we're going down to 60. The cos of 360s will be the cos of 180, which is your minus 1. And then back up to 0. And at 120, we end up with 1 full revolution. So this will be 1 full revolution. And we're asked to do it up to 2 pi. So we're going to have 3 full revolutions. So just continue in this pattern. Fill in your points. Just check 180, 150, 180, 210, 240. We know 1 full revolution is 120, 2 will be 240. So down, up, and over. And then same again, every 2, we're going 0, minus 1, 0, 1. And we should get back down and around and up. So graphing cos. Nice and easy question for most of you. Part 2 is solving a trig equation. The cos of something is equal to half. Cos of 3x is equal to a half. So the inverse cos of a half is equal to 60 degrees. So if we take our unit circle, there's one solution, 60 degrees. It's not drawn to scale. So the other point is using CAST, the intersector causes positive draw 60. And this angle is actually 60 less than 360. So we know that 3x is going to be equal to the 60 degrees. This one here is 300 degrees, 60 less than a full rotation. And then if we rotate around again, the next value will be here, and then obviously here again, and here again. So we have to add 360 to this one to get 420. 360 to this one to get 660. We do the same again, 360 to this one to get 780. And 360 to this one to get 1020. When it's cos 3x, it's 3 revolutions. We're going to get 6 solutions. 2x will give 4 solutions, and x will just give 2 solutions. So 3x is equal to all of these. X is 20, 150, just dividing them all by 3. 140, 220, 260, and 340 degrees.